Ever wondered how many ways you can group numbers? Today's coding session involved some back-end script tweaks and a LeetCode problem that had me counting groups based on digit sums. Stick around to see how it went. This is day 29 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Feels good to keep the streak going. Today involved a bit of maintenance on one of my automation scripts, and then jumping into a LeetCode problem. First up, I spent some time tidying up the Python script I use for generating these daily coding videos. It was mostly minor fixes and cleanup to keep things running smoothly behind the scenes. It's good practice to maintain these little automation tools. Alright, onto the LeetCode problem for today. It's called Count Largest Group. Spoiler alert if you want to try it yourself. The basic idea is to take numbers from 1 up to a given number, group them based on the sum of their digits, and then figure out how many groups have the largest size. So here's the Python solution. The core idea is to use a hash map, specifically collections.Counter, to efficiently store the frequency of each digit sum. We iterate through numbers 1 to n, calculate the digit sum for each, and increment the count for that sum in the hash map. Finally, we find the maximum frequency, the largest group size, and count how many groups share that size. This approach has a time complexity, roughly proportional to n, times the number of digits in n, and space complexity related to the number of distinct digit sums encountered. And that wraps up day 29. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this LeetCode problem or have ideas for future videos. If you'd like to support the channel further, you can head over to buymeaboba.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.